Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 Enhanced and you keep getting this error 0xC0000009A, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying GTA 5 error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your file explorer, going to go on to your GTA 5 folder, and then you're going to make sure that you delete this file called arg or args.txt in your GTA 5's directory. So just delete that file. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher. And then you're going to go into your settings here. And you're going to make sure that Battle Eye is unticked first. You're going to untick it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to close up this menu. You're going to open Rockstar again. And then you're going to enable this checkbox now. You're going to go on to games. And you're going to click play on here. And you'll see that now GTA 5 will run on a computer. It's going to open Epic Games Launcher first. And as you can see, GTA 5 has just launched on a computer. So that's how easy it was to fix that annoying GTA 5 error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.